Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to computer science class. Dear students, as you know, we have started chapter number 1, fundamentals of computers. Our today topic is types of computers. Today we will discuss the types of computer on the basis of data representation, processing, input and output. So there are basically three types of the computer on the basis of data representation, processing, input and output. These three types are analog computers, digital computers and hybrid computers. Now we will discuss all these types one by one. The first one is analog computers. First of all, we will define the analog computers. So analog computers represent and process data by measuring quantities such as voltage and current to solve a problem. And when we talk about the analog computer, they work on supply of continuous signals as input and display output simultaneously. Analog computers are special purpose devices that are designed to perform single specific task. They are designed to perform a single specific task. They couldn't be used for the other task. They are designed for a specific task and they could perform only that task. And these type of devices are usually used in engineering and scientific application. And when we talk about the accuracy of analog computer, it is very low, but they are faster in speed as compared to the digital computers. They mainly consist of electrical devices such as resistors, capacitors, transistors, etc. As you can see on the screen, this type of analog computer is consist of resistors, capacitors, transistors, and a voltmeter is also used in these type of analog computers. Okay, the next type of the computer is digital computer. As the name shows that the digital computer works with the digits. What are these digits? These are binary digits, zeros and ones, and it manipulates data at very fast speed. Data and instructions are fed into the digital computer through an input device in the form of zeros and ones. Basically, human beings give instruction to the computer in their natural language, but a translator in the computer translate that instructions into the form of binary digits or zeros and ones. The computer performs calculations on the data according to the instructions, and the result of the calculations are displayed on the monitor or printed on the printer. Digital computer can store and process large amount of information at high speeds, and the results produced by the digital computers are very reliable and accurate. And they are general purpose computer and they are used in various fields. The computers that are being used today, or the microcomputers, are basically the digital computers. They work on the binary digits. Okay. The third type of the computer is hybrid computers. Hybrid computers are basically the combination of analog and digital computers. They combine the characteristics of both analog and digital computers, and they are used for scientific applications. And these type of computers are usually used in spaceships, missile systems, scientific research, hospitals, and for controlling industrial processes. You can see on your screen there is a hybrid computer that is known as vital sign monitoring unit, and that type of hybrid computer is used in hospitals, especially in ICUs, etc. And it is used to monitor the patient's important data such as blood pressure, temperature, respiration and heartbeat. Dear students, I hope everything will be clear and now you are familiar with all the three types of computer basis on the data representation, processing, input and output.